Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can recreate the petal dress on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have joined Dress to Impress, and first of all, you can go to this corset area. Okay, and then you can equip this corset and you can use this color code to create the petal dress. Okay, I'm going to show you the code guys, this one. And then I'm going to grab this corset as well and color it the same. Okay, I'm going to use this color and I'm going to make them have the same color. Okay. Alright, and the last one, we're going to go to the dressing room. I'm going to go to the dressing room here. Oops, sorry. I go to the wrong area. The dressing room is here. I'm going to enter the dressing room and then I'm going to show you the next outfit we need to pick to create the petal dress. Okay. Finally, I got a room and you can use this dress. And you're going to change the toggle, select layer. You can remove the layer and you are going to use the same color. Alright, and I'm going to change the material to, let's try silk. Oops, it's not working. So let's try voile. Okay, and I'm going to exit and this is the final result. Oops. Okay, this is the final result guys. I know that it's not 100% same with the petal dress, but it looks similar. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate the petal dress on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.